Yeah, this doesn't look like a regular paneer
It's
bhurji.
looking too watery today.
You know you've done cooking for Curly Tales.
Yeah, I know. I will
You
never
know.
forget that episode.
Why is that?
Because I said something really stupid and then got trolled for it. I think I was just like expressing my frustration about mathematics.
मैंने आज तक मतलब कैलकुलेटर इन्वेंट होने के बाद आज तक मैंने अलजेब्रा का इस्तेमाल किया ही नहीं है. That just makes you like retarded, I think.
What I meant to say was math makes me feel very dumb because I'm so bad at it, but I think my choice of words was incorrect.
How do you then deal with it? You like feel embarrassed or are you like it's okay यार हो गया so हो गया अब क्या करें?
The internet has a very short attention span.
That's a good thing though.
Yeah, and you can't really give yourself so much importance. I don't think anyone cares enough. They laugh at you, they'll move on. So even you shouldn't give yourself that much importance.
Yeah, but it takes some time ना. I'm sure initially थोड़ा लगता होगा.
Initially तो yeah, I was like भाई दुनिया में मैं ही हूँ और दुनिया मेरे बारे में ही बात कर रही है. It was very arrogant.
And it's great to see guests on our show eating, and I think it's a great idea. हम घर पर आके कर रहे हैं आपके. You
Yeah,
are
I've
big.
noticed guests on your show, they only pretend to eat.
Sometimes, yeah. So आपके घर पर, you know, dad's Punjabi, mom's South Indian. So what kind of khana is made?
This
Mixed.
is half Punjabi, half South Indian. This is
Much
every
like
day.
that, yeah. Like paneer bhurji के साथ idli and sambar हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Half the dishes I don't even know. Please tell us. I can see this chicken curry.
Chicken curry, which you actually should have with the idli.
Wait, what? Chicken curry with idli?
You have to try that.
What is this combination?
You have to try it. It's very good.
Have you introduced this or is it a legit thing?
It's the papa thing. Diet वाले यहाँ देना उनको normal.
I know I don't look like I diet.
No, I don't want
But-
you to suffer. I've made such good food. This is Gujarati dal because I've actually grown up having Gujarati dal
Okay.
and always my trusty chili with my food.
Really? You know, I have a fun game for you then.
What?
अच्छा, but you तो enjoy having chili.
Yeah.
मेरे गेम का नाम है स्पाइस और नाइस. तो अगर आपको जवाब नहीं देना है तो आपको एक बाइट लेना
मैं
होगा.
तो वैसे भी ले लूँगी.
वैसे भी ले लोगे. मेरा गेम ही फ्लॉप हो गया. अच्छा, बाय द वे, फर्स्ट आई वांट टू ट्राई दिस. So this is Boni Sir's special idli with chicken curry. I don't know how many of you have actually tried it. idli के ऊपर chicken curry. I'm very nervous to try this. to be
हाथ से
honest.
खा रहा है क्या हो रहा है?
इडली हाथ से इडली नहीं आता मुझे हाथ से खाने.
मैं तो सब कुछ खा लेती हूँ हाथ से मैगी नूडल्स के.
This actually tastes good.
Yeah, why are you surprised?
Guys, have you all eaten idli with chicken curry? Please let me know in comments below because I think this is a weird combination, but it tastes good. और क्या क्या है आपका ऐसे weird combination जो आप खाते हो?
बाकी लोगों का पेट के अंदर जाके मिक्स होता है, मेरा बाहर मिक्स करके खोल के. I love Gujarati dal with rice. My home tutor Alka teacher was actually Gujarati and she would always make amazing Gujarati dal.
Which is a little sweet, right?
Sweet. So I've grown up having Gujarati dal and rice and ghee.
Best combo. No, but this is like a proper South Indian and North Indian combination.
This is my life. South Indian and North Indian combination. I just want to say I'm a very messy eater and I'm sorry
No, they're enjoying
about the
this.
visuals of messy eating.
You have broken every stereotype that a Bollywood actress is known for.
Which is
Seeing a Bollywood actress in pajamas, eating the way you are eating right now, keeping your hair messy, which is so refreshing. Where does this confidence come from?
out of exhaustion. Can't keep the act up anymore.
Okay, so let me give you a few choices for food. Okay, select one. Ghee podi rice or Andhra biryani.
Ghee puri rice.
Pesarattu dosa or Rajdhani thali.
I'm having a phase with thalis.
What kind of thalis do you like?
I really like Rajasthani food, so Rajasthani thali.
Rasam rice versus Rajma rice.
Rasam rice.
Palkova or Mawa kachori.
Palkova.
Beach vacation or a mountain retreat.
Beach vacation.
I don't know the exact meaning of these words, but I've seen you use it. Pavam,
Power.
pavam or kedi.
A kidi who pretends to be power.
Yoga or dance workout.
Yoga as a workout, dance for fun.
And you have this beautiful outdoor space.
Yeah.
Do you usually
It's really hot right now. Yeah, I've done yoga outside quite a bit.
cricket practice यहाँ की है?
हाँ, वो सब है.
कुछ तोड़ा फोड़ा?
नहीं.
नहीं.
दीवार पे निशान आ गया लेकिन तोड़ा नहीं.
Okay. Morning person or a night owl?
Morning.
Reading a book or watching a movie?
Watching a movie which I really want to do after this meal.
क्या plan है? क्या देखना है? Do you spend a lot of time like on OTT platform?
Yeah.
Which is the last film or series that you watched?
The Great. Vijjo! Dal. Oh, dahi laya. I want a tadka wala dahi. It's fine.
किसका? जीरे का, राई का?
दोनों का and chili का.
Good. Is that a very South Indian thing to do?
It's an Instagram recipe.
Again. Which pages are you following? I want to
My
know.
homepage is only like food.
I love the passion with which you're eating.
My nose is watering.
Do you like spicy food?
Love.
Yeah. Okay. So another fun game which is called Spice on Ice. We might need more chilies. But ये तीखा है क्या मिर्ची या
Try
I want
करके
to try.
देखना.
मुझे टेस्ट करना है. मैं नहीं खाती हूँ कभी मिर्ची. Okay. Okay. My videographer is saying no, don't eat.
Go for it. ये क्या? This is not a bite.
I'm very scared. Okay. So far it's fine. I can't go beyond this.
Go beyond. You've not even eaten. You've barely eaten. That's why you're saying it.
No, I'll have you do this and have chili every time you don't want to answer a question.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you ever been involved in an argument with a co-star?
Sorry.
I feel like I'm interrupting your meal.
No,
आप खा लो, आप खा लो. ये बात नहीं करते. नहीं कोई बात
No,
नहीं.
say, sorry, say.
अचार, दही, everything your plate looks like
My life.
true.
It looks like my life.
Have you ever been involved in an argument with a co-star on the set?
Yeah, I have.
An actor you would never like to work with again? You're not getting an answer to that. Okay. A film you rejected and regretted?
None.
Okay.
I'm very happy about everything I said no to.
3 words you say when you're angry.
Will all be beeped out.
Hindi or English?
English.
Okay, English.
One Hindi.
Which one? पूरे जज्बे के साथ बोला मतलब
One Hindi, one English, one Telugu.
मुझे तेलुगु वाला.
Nakodaka. And honestly, Nakodaka is a very flexible word. You can actually be angry or like you can be pulling someone's leg.
Have you ever shoplifted?
I was a kid, I think it was in the Disney store. It was like some candy or something. And I didn't really understand the concept of money. Picked up something like, ran out and I met Papa and Mama and I said, I got this and we didn't even have to pay for it. And they were like, you thief.
What about hotel? Have you ever picked up stuff from the hotel?
Pillows.
Do you seek permission before taking or do you just
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. I've got to go see all the pillows in your room
It's
now.
all different hotels.
But they're really soft, na? Something different about their pillows which you don't find anywhere
No,
else.
I take it because I take it every time I forget to carry a pillow from home and I'm traveling and I have like a long flight. I take a pillow from the hotel so I can sleep on the flight.
Okay. Do you want water or anything? No. What's your spice quotient? मतलब कितना तीखा खा सकते हो आप?
Like my spice tolerance is higher than anyone I know.
Embarrassing thing that has happened on the set. Most embarrassing till date.
Basically, we were shooting a hospital. The last scene, they put you in scrubs and I'd worn a slip like a dress inside and I was lying on the bed and I didn't realize when I got up that entire dress had rolled up and scrubs, the backside is open. So I've gotten up and I'm walking around and they've come running behind and covered me.
A role you auditioned for but didn't get.
I auditioned for the film where the director wanted me and the producer wanted me, but the audition was to convince the person the film that was based on.
Like the biopic thing.
Yeah, I think it was like the decision was in her hands. But then that film only never got made. You know, everything happens for a reason, especially in this business, especially with movies, so you can't control too much.
Has that happened to you though? That you were replaced in a movie?
It happens to everyone. An actor wants to get work. You'll do whatever you can to get work, so you really can't have hard feelings about any of it.
Did you always want to be an actor? Growing up as a star kid, and I'm sure a lot of people must be coming to, and उस time पे तो autograph होते थे, now of course selfies. How did you feel when a lot of people would come to your mom to take pictures or autograph? Did you like it or was it annoying for you as a child?
I was just perplexed. I didn't have a like or dislike emotion to it. I'd get amused by how mom dealt with it. So many times they'd ask her, are you Sridevi Kapoor? And she'd just be like, no, I'm Kalpana. Or she didn't want to be bothered.
Who's Kalpana?
She'd just make up a different name each time.
Okay.
I'd just be very amused by it. I think she'd have fun with it sometimes.
Always thought that you want to be famous or did you always want to be an actor?
I think it was always I want to be an actor. Because in our house, I think what was always spoken about was the art and the craft of it, not so much like the running behind the fame part of it.
You also went to LA to, study films or understand cinema. मतलब एक्टर बनना था तो didn't you think कि मैं यहीं रह के कुछ कर लूँ या वहाँ जाना जरूरी था?
उतनी बुद्धि नहीं थी ना, वो करना चाहिए था मुझे. Some of it was very helpful. Especially all of the screenplay classes, actually, I found. The interaction with so many different people from different walks of life. Being in an environment where they knew nothing about my baggage or who I was or where I came from. But I think their language of cinema is very different to ours. वो classes में जिन चीज़ों के लिए मुझे शाबाशी मिलती थी, यहाँ अगर मैं आके करूँ तो वो बोलेंगे कि कुछ तो करो भाई. Their lives are different, their stories are different, their problems are different, the way they speak is different. I should have just spent more time getting to know my people in my country, which I ended up doing after. Why I say incorrectly and insensitively so that maybe it was a waste of time.
The first time you actually started working, आपने acting से पहले कुछ भी काम किया था और straight away acting was the first
No,
job
straight
that gave
away.
you a paycheck?
Straight away acting.
How are you with money today?
I just leave it up to dad.
What about like when you want to buy something?
Yeah, I asked dad. Like I wanted to buy some stuff for a trip that I'm going to, and I asked dad what my budget is.
Even now you do that.
Yeah, I need to.
And then you stick to the budget? Exceed it. You usually spend your money on travel.
Yeah.
You go to Tirupati also often,
Yeah.
right? And we recently did a video about how spiritual tourism is actually catching up because that's the
Yeah?
travel platform. Yeah, it is. And especially amongst the younger lot.
How come?
Gen Zs also. That's what I want to ask you. How come? What about your interest in religious places?
In the past 5-6 years, I've become very spiritually inclined. I think I just find a lot of refuge in my religion and in my spirituality and in Lord Balaji specifically. And I enjoy वो एक अंदर से बुलावा आता है ना कि अभी जाना है, तिरुपति जाना है, चढ़ना है, दर्शन करना है. मैं already I think 3 बार जा चुकी हूँ.
2024 में?
I think so. हाँ, मैं New Year's के लिए गई थी. मेरे birthday के लिए गई थी. Maybe 2-3 times I've already been. Like I'll go again now on mom's birthday.
You usually spend a lot of time like meditating, praying, or
I have my phases of meditation. I'm not as regular as I want to be or should be. एक और चिल्ला खा लूँ? पालक खाना चाहिए.
healthy वाला है. So you can 2 का 3 चल जाएगा. Are you following any diet?
No, I'm making it up as I go.
Like what are the
2
rules?
का 3 होता तो ठीक होता, मेरा 4 का 5 हो रहा है.
But what are the rules? मतलब no rice, no roti, but you can eat
I
like.
think just gluten I'm allergic to and it doesn't suit my body, so anything without gluten.
So we were on the game, right? Spice or nice? Okay, tell us, are you dating anyone? बड़ा bite लेना पड़ेगा. We were expecting a spicier answer. But tell me, how would you be as a girlfriend?
I think I'm the kind of girl who's like always down to do what you want to do. Like, if you want to go bungee jumping, I'll go bungee jumping. If you want to sit at home and laze, I'll do that. If you want to like talk about politics, I'll like get into that. If you want to like sit home and watch a movie, I'll do that. If you want to go on a trip across Europe, I'm down to do that. I think I'm just down to have new experiences, especially when the person I'm with is extremely passionate about something. I like exploring that with them. The only thing I can't stand is when someone is just disinterested in all things in life, and I've met those kind of people.
Okay, yeah. That's a red flag.
Yeah, for me.
In one of your interviews, you mentioned you would either date a guy from Florence